Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for QuickVSL. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover my bonuses that I'm going to give you when you purchase QuickVSL through me. Now, all the bonuses that I'm going to show you are all for the front end purchase of QuickVSL. I'm going to show you the funnel so you can see what's involved in the funnel, but all you need to purchase to get my bonuses is the front end of QuickVSL. Now, I've been testing this and it works very, very well, and I'll give you a full review of that. But what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you my bonuses. I'm going to show you the funnel, and it's not a big funnel. There's not lots and lots of upsells or anything like that. Then I'm going to jump inside QuickVSL so you can see exactly what this does. Now, the first bonus that I have for you today is VSL Agency. Now, QuickVSL comes with commercial rights. So what that means is you can actually sell the videos that you create to your clients. So what I've done is I created you a full business in a box. So we've done you a full agency page. We've done a full kind of contract, so you can use that contract when you're selling the videos. We've done your marketing pack, a graphics pack. We'll also do you a complete custom logo for your new VSL agency. Tell us what you want to call yourselves. We'll do that, and we'll customize the sales page as well. So, very unique opportunity. Now remember, this comes on the front end. This is not an upsell, so we're creating your custom page and logo for the front end. So that's VSL agency. Now we've also got the AI-Powered Playbook. Now this tells you how to create amazing VSLs. Brand new, and we're giving you full PLR rights to that. So you get the ebook, fully formatted, multiple formats, formatted lead page, social marketing pack, huge image promo pack, and we've also done 2 TikTok videos. So these are not the scripts, these are actually fully done, ready to promote that product. So we've also done the AI-Powered VSL Playbook course. Now this is 10 done for you videos that serve as an upgrade to the lead offer. So we've got 10 videos for the video course, formatted sales page, social media pack, huge image pack, and again 2 done for you TikTok videos as well. So we got full PLR to those as well. Then we've got the VSL AI Lab. Now what this does, it helps you create amazing prompts to use for VSLs. I'm including 100,000 credits with that. So you can use this to create VSLs for any niche. And don't forget, because this comes with commercial rights, you can use this in your AI agency as well. So we've got the AI Lab Reseller Suite. So that means you get resell rights to the VSL Lab. So you get full source code. So you get source code to the app and you can rebrand it. Format sales page, social marketing pack, and an image promo pack as well. Then we've got PitchPro AI. Now this comes with full white label rights. And again, you can utilize this in your done for you agency. With this, you get full source code, formatted sales page, social media pack, image pack, and 2 done for you TikTok videos as well. And not just the scripts, the full videos. Then we've got Rank Pro AI, again, full white label. So this helps videos rank. So you can, does all the kind of keywords, tags, everything you need. It does a full step-by-step plan. Again, full source code, formatted sales page, social media marketing pack, image promo pack, and 2 done for you TikTok videos. Then we've got a ton of the bonuses as well. So we've got membership funnels, we've got application funnel, we've got affiliate funnel, we've got the masterclass on AI video course, we've got Tube Genius AI, which is an application. We've got VidRank Master AI, again, it's another app, helps you rank on YouTube, etc. Image generation using AI, social media marketing video course, effective video marketing, vertical videos templates, vertical videos templates 2, video marketing profits. So you can see this bonus is huge, and you have to remember this is for the front end, so there's no upsell bonuses needed or anything like that, or bundle bonuses. Everything that you see here you get on the front end, and it's waiting for you inside JVZoo. But don't forget, with this scroll back up a little bit, it's done for you VSL agency. You get a done for you customized logo, the sales page customized to you. You get the marketing pack, you get the contracts, you get the graphics, everything you need to use with QuickVSL. So let's look at the funnel now, and I'll show what's involved in the funnel, then I'll jump inside the system. Okay guys, so this is the funnel. So the front end, you've got QuickVSL Pro. So that's $67. You get extra templates, you get custom backgrounds, you get intros and outros, and you can insert video clips as well. Now, that's a great price, $67. The one that I would go for is the QuickVSL Unlimited, which is $197 a year. You get unlimited videos and pages, and you get the free upgrades and updates. So this is the one that I would go for. OTO 3, done for you agency pack, done for you services, proposals, assets. Now, kind of giving you that on the front end with the bonus. So the one that I would be looking at is OTO 2. So let's jump inside QuickVSL now so I can show you exactly what this does. Okay guys, so here we are inside QuickVSL. Now you can see I've been using it here. It's such a simple app to use and it works absolutely flawlessly. Now it creates simple VSLs, but it creates them so quick, so easy to use. So let me show you how this works. So we'll click start a new campaign. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump back in. I'm just going to go to, let's go to one of these apps. So I'll go to Rank Pro. So I'm just going to grab what this actually does here. Now, if you're using the VSL Lab, you can create a prompt for this. I'm just going to show you quickly how this does. So we'll call this Rank Pro, just like that. And I'm going to use AI generator text. So what is your offer? So I'm going to paste that here. Just quickly what it does. So it gives you different types of frameworks to use. So I'm going to use feature advantage benefits. So who is the audience? Well, it's for marketers. What's the tone you want to use? I want to use a professional tone. And detailed audience, it's people who want to make money online. What's the key things to highlight in this product offer? Uses AI to generate ranking help for videos. Any details that make your offer unique? I'm not going to bother with that. Are there any other terms? Not going to bother with that. And I'm going to press OK. So what it's doing now, it's writing the slides. So it writes up to 20 slides. So just give it a moment while these come in. And as I said, it's super simple. You can see how quick that was. Now you can look at each slide. You can edit each slide as well if you want, or delete ones that you don't like. You can move them around. It's created 17 different slides here. And let's have a look at some of what it's created. If you're tired of flying blind and relying on guesswork to rank your videos, Rank Pro. See, it's picked up everything that it does, because what it does, it helps you rank your videos. So once you've done that, you can kind of update it if you want, but I'm going to click Next. Now here you can upload a custom background image. So if you want to create like a custom background image, maybe with like your logo on, something like that, you can do. But I'm just going to use one of the ones it's got here. I'll choose this one here. Then you just click Next. So it just automatically puts all the text onto the slide. You can move that around. You can change the color as well. I'll leave it back. It sort of sticks out a little bit better. And you can change the background as well. You can edit there as well. And once you've changed it, you just apply to all slides. Now here, you can add an intro. So you can add like kind of a a video intro. You can also insert a video as well. And you can add an outro as well. So once you've done that, as I said, super simple to do that, takes minutes, and just click next. And all you have to do is click add audio. So what it does, it can add audio to all the slides. So you can upload your voiceover, you can record your voiceover from obviously from the slides. You can actually just do this using AI as well. So let's see which one I'm going to use. See what Roger said.
It is not so important to know everything as to appreciate what we learn.
Okay, so I'm going to use Roger. Just going to hit generate. So this generates the voiceover. It creates kind of all the slides. Then you just got to sync the audio. So it takes probably about 5 minutes to do that. So while that's happening, I'll just pause the video. Okay, so it's added the audio. It took 4 minutes in total. So it's syncing the audio now. So let's listen to what it sounds like.
RankPro AI is a game changer for content creators looking to boost their online.
So it's synced the audio as well. So once that's done, and you can kind of look at each slide as well, and check these. But all you need to do then is hit create. So then the audio in slides are being created and putting all those together into an actual MP4. So I'll pause that while that's being done, and I'll come back once it's complete. Okay, so it's been created. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. So this is the one that I've just done, Rank Pro. So this is processing at the moment. Now these are two that I created earlier, one for the VSL Lab and one for an AI app. So just let me show you what I can do with these. I'll just view this. So here you can download the video. You can download the script. I go back to the dashboard. Just let me show you how that looks. Just bring that full screen.
Are you tired of spending hours trying to craft the perfect VSL script, only to end up frustrated with lackluster results? Look no further than the VSL AI Lab.
So you can see that's really good. So you can download the video. You can also create the VSL page. So what this does, it creates your video page to host that video on. So let's create that page. So here you can see how it looks. So what you can do is you can add a call to action button. So let's say you were promoting a product, maybe through JVZoo or something like that. You could create the VSL to sell that. Then you could link that directly up. So what we'll do is just add gvzoo.com in there. So you add your affiliate link or your link to your sales page, something like that. Then you can add a timer in here. So let's say it was going to expire on the 9th at 13:37. And then you can change the color, the call to action color here. So you can change that if you want. If you want to change it red or something like that. You can change the page color. Change the font. Then you can also enable the viral pay button. So what that does is you can share to unlock it. So if you want to share that to unlock it, so what you could do is you could share this to, let's say, a sales page or something like that, and wherever you shared that, it would unlock that video after, say, 3 seconds, or if you want to take that up 4 seconds, whatever. So that's a nice extra as well there. So once you've done all that, just click save and publish, and the page is published there, as you can see, ready to go. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. You can see, where are we? Rank Pro's done. So let's go across to Rank Pro. Let it load. Bigger.
RankPro AI is a game changer for content creators looking to boost their online visibility.
So that video from start to finish probably took me 5 minutes, maybe, that's all. And again, if I wanted to create a page for that, I just add the sales page in. So your sales page.com would go there. Put a timer on it. And again, if you want to enable this viral pay button, you could do. Once you've done that, save and publish, page is ready to go. So that's how simple, this is to use. It is so easy to use, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. So if you want to create VSLs for kind of products that you've got, or for YouTube, things like that, you don't want to get in front of a camera, this is a perfect tool to use. So remember, my bonus is for the front end. It's sub $40 product. I think it's even starting sub $30. I'm not sure on the actual front end pricing for when it launches, but it's a super cheap product for what it is. But remember, if you want to lock in my bonus, it's for the front end only. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.